But if we want to stop this, if we want to come to our original position means we are part and parcel of God. So qualitatively, the same position, it may be small, but the position is Satchidananda Vigraha, eternal life of bliss and knowledge. If we want to come to that, then the process is that we should not anymore desire or manufacture some ideas for becoming happy in this material world. This is intelligence. Therefore, Rupa Goswami says, Annavilasita sunnam. You have to make zero all material desires. Annavilas sunnam means zero. Zero, that is Buddhist philosophy, to make zero, sunnavadi, to make everything void. No, that cannot be. I cannot make my desires zero, that is not possible, because I am living being. I may select what kind of desires I will have, that is intelligence. But desirelessness is not possible. Therefore, the next item is that Annavilasita sunnam, you make your material desires zero, void. Then what shall I do next? Shall I become void and finish? No. Then your real life begins. What is that? Annavilasita sunnam jnana karmadanabritam anukullena krishnaanusilanam. Anukullena krishnaanusilanam. We are desires, many types of desires, jnana and karma. Karma platform is foolishness, just like everywhere. They are very busy karming, but they do not know what is the aim of life. That is called karma. Acting something and suffering again. This is called karma. And jnana means one who understands that by analysis that these wrappers, material wrappers, these 15, 5 sense organs, 5 object of sense enjoyment, in this way 24 wrapper. So how I am to get out of this wrappings? That is intelligence, that is jnani. But a jnani does not know that I get out from this entanglement, then where I stay, that they do not know. So that information is given by Krishna, that give up this and take up me. Negative and positive, both. Sarva dharman parityajya, give up this nonsense desire, then what to do? Na mame kang saranam. Come to me, under me. This is required. Anukullena krishnana. Mame kang saranam vraja. That is not varietyless. That I surrender into you, then business finished. No. Saranam vraja means anukullena krishnaanusilanam. What Krishna says, you do that. Just like Arjuna. Arjuna was not willing to fight, but when he listened Bhagavad Gita from Krishna, then he agreed to fight. So our first business is that if we want to stop this repetition of birth and death, and sometimes we are very happy, sometimes we are very unhappy, sometimes we are in fearfulness, sometimes in so many other calamities, then our first business is that we shall stop all these material desires. Annavilasita sunnam. To stop means the desire cannot be stopped, because we are living entities. Life, we are not dead stone that desires will be stopped. No. Desires are to be purified. Sarvapadhi vinirmuktam tatparatena nirma. Desires to purify. Everyone is working under some impure consciousness, just like nationalism. I am American, I am Indian, I am Englishman, I am German. This desire is polluted. Because I am spirit soul, part and parcel of Krishna. What is the benefit by identifying with America or India? This is called purification of the desire. Everyone is working under national and they are fighting with one another because the desire is impure. So the problem, the whole problem of the material world can be solved only when we purify our desires. Anna vilasita sadnam jnana karmadhanavritam anukullena Krishna. Anukul, what Krishna says. Krishna is not dead. Therefore anukullena. What Krishna says, we have to do it. Krishna says to Arjuna to fight. So we have to meet the situation as Krishna desired by him. Sometimes he may say, you sit down. So we have to carry out only. The Krishna is not dead. He can give us varieties of order. And our position is that we shall simply carry out the order. That is life. Otherwise, we are under the clutches of Maya or material nature. Prakriti kriyamanani gunai karmani sarvas. We are thinking that I am the Lord, everything. That is not the fact. And the fact is that we have to work under somebody. That is our real position. Jive Sarupa Nitya Krishna Das. We are worker. We are not enjoyer. But unfortunately, we are trying to take the position of enjoyer. That is Maya. That is Maya. And if we agree to work under the direction of Krishna, then our original life is revived. That is what the Krishna consciousness movement means, that we are trying to educate people to change the consciousness. We have got so many desires under different consciousness. So one desire, that I am eternal servant of Krishna, this is called mukti. As soon as Krishna says, Sarvadharman parityajya mamekam saranam vaja, this is mukti. If we give up all other desires and agree to accept Krishna's desires, that mamekam saranam vaja, you are surrendered unto me, that is mukti, that is liberation. Otherwise, under the influence of these 24 elements and the material nature and the three gunas, infection, dhatte anusamsiting pungsi harsa soko bhayatida, we go on changing anybody. The subject matter is very difficult, but we have to learn it from Shastra, what is our position. Otherwise, to realize these things, it is not very easy. But if we accept the direction of the Shastra, that this is our position, that we cannot know what is my disease, but if I go to a doctor, physician, he can feel the pulse and he can recommend, this is your disease, you do like this. So, if we want to avoid the tiresome, troublesome, miserable condition of this material world, then we have to accept the direction given in the Shastras. But we are so dull, we cannot even understand what is the miserable condition of our life. Dead, stone life or animal life, the animal cannot understand. But there is possibility. Sometimes when the miserable condition is very acute, we feel how to get out of it. That is intelligence. But if we take the direction of the Shastras, Sadhu Guru Shastra Vakya, Guru Mukha Padma Vakya, Chittete Koriya Oikya, Arana Koriya Vadhyas, then there is possibility of getting out of these clutches, entanglement, and become free again and go back to home, back to Godhead. Thank you very much.